Hey Tom,
How you doing?
beautiful day, huh?
Oh yeah, it's not.
Uh,
I didn't eat monkey last for more than 24 hours.
enjoy it while it lasts. So during this jump rope session, a number of people stopped and we had a little conversation. The jump rope is a very interesting piece of exercise equipment. Oftentimes, people will hear it and wonder what's the source of the sound, and they'll try to find it, and lo and behold, they might find someone jumping rope. Great way to encourage people to try it or to maybe start jumping rope again. So quite a few older people have walked by here, fascinated with the sound, and we had a little bit of a conversation. So who knows, maybe some of those people will pick up the jump rope maybe for the first time, or maybe they haven't done it, as some people have said there, they haven't done it since they were in elementary school or high school. Lost count here. All right, well, nice way to finish off with a few double unders. Now I'm just gonna relax outside for a little bit, shake out my legs, and take a little walk around. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to see you in the next video. Triple under crossover, so a double under followed by a crisscross or cross the arms. So 3 rotations of the rope before your feet hit the ground. All right, so I'm gonna wrap today's jump rope session up. I think I'll just increase the intensity a little bit by doing a few triple unders. So a good method that I like to teach for learning your first triple under is to do 1 or 2 slow double unders and then explode into a triple under, like so. Basic bounce. I'm going to do 1 or 2 slow double unders, and I'm going to explode into a triple under and spin the rope faster. Okay, so slow double under or 2 or even 3, explode into a triple under. So that time I did just 1 double under and I went straight in to a triple under.